Good morning, students. We're continuing the chapter 5 in maths, operation on rational numbers. Okay, the objective for today is will be able to multiply and divide two rational numbers. Okay, in the previous lesson we studied how to add and subtract two rational numbers, and today we're going to see how to multiply and divide. Multiplication और division कैसे करते हैं rational numbers का, वो हम आज देखने वाले हैं. Okay, so let's directly go into the multiplication of two rational numbers. So here again we'll take two rational numbers in the form of a by b and c by d. Okay, again a b c d is just for example. Okay, a b c d के जगह पे एक्चुअली में इधर पे नंबर्स होगा, तो a by b is one rational numbers and c by d is another rational number. Then if we do a by b into c by d, a by b into c by d अगर करते हैं, so what you have to do is here there is no cross multiplication. ठीक है, एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता था, इधर पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं है, सीधा सीधा करना है. आपको क्या करना है, न्यूमरेटर इंटू न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर इंटू डिनोमिनेटर. सो हियर यू हैव टू डू a इंटू सी, ओके, एंड b इंटू d, which will come as a into c in the numerator divided by b into d in the denominator. Okay, if you solve this, this will be your answer for multiplication of two rational numbers. Okay, and the last step you have to do is you have to check if the final answer is in standard form. Standard form means you have to check numerator and denominator में is there any common numbers. अगर common number है तो उनको काट देना है, अगर नहीं है then that is the standard form. Okay, let's see an example. Right, so you are taking example of 2 by 3 into 5 by 7. 2 by 3 into 5 by 7. So what you have to do is in the numerator we will do 2 into 5. 2 into 5 करेंगे numerator में, ये आ गया इधर पे. Okay, and in the denominator we will do 3 into 7. Okay, so as you can see 3 into 7 comes in the denominator. Now if we solve this step, we'll get 2 into 5 as 10 and 3 into 7 as 21. Alright, now we have to check if this answer is in standard form. Okay, कैसे करेंगे इसको, we have to do prime factorization of both 10 and 21. Okay, 10 को prime factorization करेंगे तो ऐसा कुछ आएगा 2 into 5 है ना, and 21 को करेंगे तो 3 into 7 आएगा. Now as you can see 10 has factors 2 and 5 है ना, and 21 has factors 3 and 7. Is there any common factors between these? No, right? There is no common factors, therefore this answer is the final answer. Okay, 10 by 21 is the final answer because it doesn't have any common factors. Okay, all right, now let's see division of two rational numbers. Okay, so here also we'll be taking a by b as one rational number and c by d another rational number. Okay, now if you are asked a by b divided by c by d, okay, a by b divided by c by d, how much it will be? So here there is a trick. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to change the second rational numbers upside down. ठीक है, जो सेकेंड रैशनल नंबर था c by d उसको आपको उल्टा कर देना है. ठीक है, और डिवीजन साइन के जगह पे बीच में क्या आ जाएगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन. सो a by b divided by c by d becomes a by b into d by c. c by d क्या बन गया, d by c. ठीक है, और डिवीजन साइन क्या बन गया, इधर पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन बन गया. ठीक है, बस सेकेंड रैशनल नंबर को आपको उल्टा कर देना है और डिवीजन की जगह पे क्या लाना है, आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन ले आना है. नाउ वी ऑलरेडी नो हाउ टू डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू रैशनल नंबर्स. रैशनल नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमें पता है. ओके, ऊपर का ऊपर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, नीचे का नीचे से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो हियर इट विल बी a इंटू डी इन द न्यूमरेटर एंड b इंटू सी इन द डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, and the last step will be you have to check if the final answer is in standard form. Let's see an example. So we'll take two rational numbers 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 7. Okay, so this 5 by 7 in the next step it will become 7 by 5. देखो ऊपर का नीचे हो गया, नीचे का ऊपर हो गया, है ना. न्यूमरेटर बिकम डिनोमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटर बिकम्स न्यूमरेटर. ओके, एंड द डिवीजन साइन विल बिकम मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन. ठीक है, जब सेकंड रैशनल नंबर को उल्टा करते हैं डिवीजन साइन क्या बन जाता है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन बन जाता है. नाउ इट बिकम्स सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन. वी हैव टू डू 2 into 7 and 3 into 5. Okay, so next step will come as 2 into 7 divided by 3 into 5. So the final answer will come 14 by 15. Okay, 2 into 7 becomes 14, 3 into 5 becomes 15. Okay, now you have to check if this answer is in standard form. Standard form कैसे check करेंगे? Again prime factorization, right? So 14 का prime factorization will become as 2 into 7. The factors are 2 and 7, and 15 का prime factorization will become 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 are the prime factors of 15. So is there any common factors? No, right? 2, 7, 3, 5 इसमें कुछ common नहीं है, so we cannot cut anything. Okay, so there's no common factors, so 14 by 5 is the final answer. Okay, all right, now let's try to do some problems, okay, based on multiplication and division of integers. अभी हमने जो देखा ना multiplication and division of integers, उसके sums करते हैं. Here we have 5 sums. Okay, few of them are normal fractions, so a, b are normal fractions, है ना. C we have a fraction and an integer, so wherever there is integer like in C, and wherever there is decimal like in D, and wherever there is mixed fraction like in E, you have to first, what you have to do, you have to convert them into standard rational number form. उसके बाद you have to operate on them. ठीक है, first you have to convert them into rational numbers, that means fraction form, p by q form में convert करना है आपको, numerator denominator form में. ठीक है, उसके बाद आप sum को continue करोगे. So you will take 10 minutes and solve this by your own. Okay, coming back, let's try to solve each of these questions one by one. Okay, the first question, question A, is 11 by 3 into 7 by 5. So simple है, न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से इंटू करना है, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से इंटू करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी गेट 11 इंटू 7, देन वी गेट 3 इंटू 5. तो ये स्टेप अपने पास आ गया. ओके, देन इफ वी सॉल्व दिस विल गेट 77 बाई 15. ओके, ऑल्सो वी हैव टू चेक इफ दिस इज इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है कि नहीं आपको चेक करना है ना. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू डू द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. Okay, if we do prime factorization of 77 and 15, this will come 77. The prime factors are 7 and 11, and 15 prime factors are 3 and 5. So is there any common between 7 and 11 and 3 and 5? कुछ common है क्या ऊपर और नीचे में? नहीं है, right? So there is no common factors. So the final answer is 77 by 15. Okay, let's come to the second question. This is a question of division. Okay, so what you have to do here is you have to change the second rational number into upside down. ठीक है, second rational number जो है 1 by 8, इसको upside down कर दें तो हम क्या बन जाएगा ये 8 by 1, and you have to change this division sign into multiplication sign. Now we can do normal multiplication, numerator का numerator से, denominator का denominator से. So 3 into 8 becomes 24. Okay, and 2 into 1 becomes 2. So we get 24 by 2 as the answer. Now we have to check if 24 by 2 is in standard form. Okay, so for this what you have to do, we have to do prime factorization. Okay, first we are doing 24, then we are doing 2. Okay, now 24 can be broken down as this, है ना. The prime factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, and the denominator 2 is already a prime number, ये और break down नहीं होगा. Now as you can see there is common factors between the numerator and the denominator, है ना. So let's write it down. Okay, so 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, है ना, and 2 we write it as below. ठीक है, as you can see 1 2 इज कॉमन इन द न्यूमरेटर एंड द डिनोमिनेटर. सो एक एक 2 ऊपर से और नीचे से हम काट देंगे. ठीक है, नीचे का 2 अगर कट गया तो नीचे क्या बचेगा, बस 1 बचेगा. सो इफ यू सॉल्व दिस, सो इन द न्यूमरेटर इट बिकम्स 2 into 2 into 3, which becomes 12, and in the denominator we get 1. Okay, so 12 by 1 is the final answer. Let's see question number C. So here we have one rational number and one integer. So how do you change an integer into rational number? उसके नीचे बस 1 लिख देना है. Therefore 2 becomes 2 by 1. ठीक है, 2 को हम लिख देंगे 2 by 1. Now you have to do normal मल्टीप्लीकेशन. 5 को 2 से कर दो और 3 को 1 से कर दो. वी गेट द आंसर लाइक दिस. 5 into 2 becomes 10 and 3 into 1 becomes 3. Now you have to check if it is in standard form. So 10 can be written as 2 into 5 and 3 is already a prime number. So between 10 and 3 there are no common factors. So 10 by 3 is the final answer. Okay, in fourth question we have to divide 5 by 3 by 0.1. 0.1 is a decimal number. Okay, how do you convert decimal number into fraction? So we'll write a 1 below it. ठीक है, और इस पॉइंट को अगर एक स्टेप पीछे लेके जाएंगे नीचे एक 0 आएगा. राइट, सो द फाइनल रैशनल नंबर फॉर्म विल बी 1 by 10. ओके, उसको वापस क्वेश्चन में लिख देना. वी हैव 5 by 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 by 10. ओके, दिस इज डिविजन. सो विल इन्वर्स द सेकेंड इंटीजर. 1 by 10 को उल्टा कर देंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा 10 by 1, और डिवीजन साइन क्या बन जाएगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन. ओके, सो इफ यू सॉल्व दिस द आंसर विल कम एज 50 by 3. नाउ यू हैव टू डू प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन अगेन. ठीक है, 50 का आ गया 2 into 2 into 5 and 3 is already a prime number, and as you can see there is no common factor. कोई common factor नहीं है, therefore this is the final answer. The last question is, here we have a mixed fraction. So first you have to convert the mixed fraction into normal fraction. 3 into 5 plus 1. Okay, so 3 into 5 plus 1 और denominator में आएगा 3. So this becomes 16 by 3. इसको वापस क्वेश्चन में लिख देना है. So 16 by 3 into 7 by 2. So if you solve this, we'll get 112 by 6. Okay, now we have to do prime factorization of both 112 and 6. So 112, if you break it down, it will become as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, and 6 will become 2 into 3. ठीक है, so there is common factors. एक एक 2 आपको common दिख रहा होगा, है ना. So we'll write it down in the question, we'll write it down in the breakdown form. Prime factors सारे लिख देंगे न्यूमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में. ठीक है, and we'll cut out which is the common factor. So 1 2 is common from the numerator and the denominator. We'll cut it down, and if you solve the remaining prime factors, the answer will come as 56 by 3. Alright, so we'll cover one last topic today, and that is called as multiplicative inverse of a rational number. ठीक है, आपने डिवीजन में देखा था ना, हमने सेकेंड रैशनल नंबर को उल्टा कर दिया था, है ना. सो दिस इज द सेम थिंग. मल्टीप्लिकेशन इनवर्स मीन्स इफ यू हैव अ रैशनल नंबर a by b, ठीक है, देन b by a, मतलब उसका उल्टा जो होता है a by b का उल्टा b by a. ठीक है, तो b by a को हम बोलते हैं मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स टेक अ रैशनल नंबर 2 by 3. सो 2 by 3 इज अ रैशनल नंबर. ठीक है, इसका उल्टा जो होगा उसको बोलेंगे हम मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. सो व्हाट विल बी द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 2 by 3? इट विल बी 3 by 2. सो 3 by 2 is the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3. Okay, all right, let's try to solve a few sums on this. Okay, here you given 5 rational numbers. You have to find the multiplicative inverse of the following rational number. Okay, some of them are fraction and some of them are integers, decimal number and mixed fraction. तो उनको क्या करना है, आपको पहले नॉर्मल फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है, उसके बाद उनका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ढूंढना है. ओके, पॉज द वीडियो हियर, टेक 10 minutes and solve these questions. Alright, coming back, your answer would look something like this. The first one, इज प्रिटी सिंपल. 11/3 उसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स क्या होगा, उल्टा 3/11. ओके. सेकेंड वन इज -3/2, तो उसका क्या होगा मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स, -2/3. अगर माइनस है तो माइनस ही रहेगा, ठीक है, प्लस है तो प्लस ही रहेगा. नो चेंज इन दैट. ओके. नाउ द थर्ड वन इज एन इंटीजर 3. तो 3 को हम रैशनल नंबर फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो 3/1 लिखते हैं, तो उसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स क्या होगा, 1/3. ओके. देन वी हैव अ डेसिमल नंबर 0.01. तो फर्स्ट विल राइट इट इन द रैशनल नंबर फॉर्म. रैशनल नंबर फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो देखो विल टेक 2 स्टेप्स बैक, तो नीचे 2 0 आएगा, सो इट बिकम्स 1/100. ओके. 1/100 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स क्या होगा, उसका उल्टा क्या होगा, 100/1. Okay. Similarly, the last question 5/1/2. If we convert it into normal fraction or rational number form, it will become 11/2. Okay. So multiplicative inverse of 11/2 is 2/11. I hope you were able to understand today's lesson and you liked today's lesson. All right. Thank you for listening, and I will see you next time where we will discuss how to compare values of rational numbers. Okay. See ya.